Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. That's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how the Trinity alerts can help you with swing trades. So if you're a busy trader, you've got work during the hours where the market's moving the most, or maybe you're a parent and you have to be looking after your children and you can't really watch the charts too much. Well, this is really going to help you with being able to get entries into the market just with a simple Telegram alert, and I'm going to show you how it looks.
Starting from the bottom like Drake, got that young ruler but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you want to be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay, so if you do want to get into Trinity, this is what Trinity looks like. This is all the scalping trades. The swing trades will come through in another group like this as well. They will come through constantly as alerts, as you can see here, and you'll be told which pair is breaking out at what time. You can also see that there is metals, there's indices, there are all the currency pairs as well in here, and that's for the scalping and the swing trade. So it's very easy to use Trinity. If you ever do need to just figure out a pair, you can easily just type it in here, and then when you do that, you're going to have all the alerts right over here on the left, so you can see every day of when the alerts come, so you can backtest as much as possible and see what works for however you would like to trade it. So let's get into the topic of what this video is. So I'm just showing you all the 4-hour Trinity alert entries that did appear. So this appeared as an entry in Telegram. It does not come with a stop loss and a take profit, but again, as I've told you, you can always put your stop loss or your take profit above the last high or below the last low. You can do that if you want to. You can even get a bit more fancy because it is the 4-hour chart, and you can say the last candle that basically broke out of market structure, I can put my stop loss above or below that candle, because realistically, if the market is breaking out, the market should not come back to that area or the lowest part of that area or the highest part. So you can see here there was 2 trades right here on GBP CAD, and again, you're not going to win every trade even if it is a 4-hour chart, but you could have held this trade for a long period of time. And the same here, you could have held it even though it's coming back now, you still had a long period of time. Each one of these candles are 4 hours long, so you had so much time for you to be able to assess what this trade is doing whilst you're at work or whilst you're busy. So there's also the Neo Telegram alerts. These are basically the trades that I take. I wait for swing trade opportunities. As soon as I do see them in the market, I put out charts before they're about to occur, and I will be posting those charts in the Neo trading area, and that's on Discord. And then when the trade does actually happen, you get an alert on Telegram, just like the Trinity trades, but this time I'll show you a chart with a take profit level and a stop loss, as they're the trades I'm actually taking and waiting for. So you will get these trades, and you will also get the Trinity trades at the same time if you do opt for the Neo Telegram alert. So this one's 59.GBP a month. You can also see this trade here on GBP Swiss franc, and it's even still selling now as I'm speaking to you. So the trade is actually even gone down even further now. So you would have had this entry here in a swing trade, and the reason why you can trade most pairs when it comes to these type of setup is because they're not going to appear every single day. You can pretty much funnel through all of the trading pairs, currency pairs, gold indices and stuff like that, and you can just patiently just take the entries and just see what happens, again all with good risk management. So for me personally, I would say suggested great risk management will be 1 to 4, but we have to be realistic here. Even though they are day trades to swing trades, again, the market doesn't have to give you 800 pips, let's say if you have a 200 pip stop loss. So you have to be very careful on how you are picking your 1 to 4 risk to reward ratios, or if anything, you can do at least a 1 to 2. And we can see here, these ones did hit as well. Again, nice 2 trades. You had loads of time in order for you to understand what you want to do with this trade whilst holding it. Again, you can see this one here. You can also see this trade over here as well on Euro JPY. So I'm only going to go through the GBP pairs and the Euro pairs. This does happen on every trading instrument. Again, stop worrying about strategy. What you need to worry about more than anything is just having your risk management in check, because trading is probabilities. When it goes into the crash courses, you can hire me out for 1 hour. I thought it's a bit more easier for students to be able to say, okay, John, I would like to get your time during this time period in the day or the evening, because of course, again, as traders, we are adults, a lot of us, and we are very busy. I understand that. So I've changed the aspect of group teaching and stuff like that, expecting people to be around. So if you do want to just book me out for the hour and want to go through risk management or anything like that, you can by simply just opting for the 30 GBP an hour option. Of course, if it's strategy teaching and things like that, you have to be realistic. It might cost more than just 1 hour, so you might have to book more than 1 hour. If you want to get a full mastery into the markets and what I could possibly do, then you might want to look into actually booking out the crash course here, And the crash course is going to be able to help you with all of the options here, which is VIP entry, weekly analysis with chart draw ups, which I will be putting in the trading area. Of course, there'll be course videos as well, intraday strategy, which I will show you. I will also show you how to scalp. I basically explain the strategy I trade, which is Neo. You get access to Neo, the trading area in Telegram, and you also get access to the Trinity alerts at the same time. And as I've said, I'll get you up to speed on all of the information you need to know in terms of trading. And this is one-on-one trading. You'll get 2 Zoom calls within the month as well. It will help you out quite a lot. You know, these Zoom calls are about 1 hour to 2 hours long. So let's just say about 4 hours worth of Zoom calls kind of overall, and it will really get you in the door and what you need to do. And of course, if you need any more, you can always book more. So guys and girls, that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't have to go over too much information. I'm sure you get the gist of it. It's pretty straightforward. Swing trades here and how you can use the system to help you with that. If you get your risk to reward on point, maybe you start trading 1 to 4s, then at least you know you can fail 3 times, and by the 4th attempt you can get a winning trade. This is what I'm changing my swing trading into as we speak. I've realized that when trades do work, you know, if you're doing 1 to 4, you're still going to have a better chance of you having a successful trade, because in all fairness, if the market is going to keep structure, it should basically stay in that direction. If not, you know, doing all the if buts and maybes, it might go another 25 pips before it goes the right way, and all of this stuff is great to say, but realistically, if it's going to be your trade, it should just do what it's going to do. If not, you're hoping on a pipe dream sometimes, and you need to know when to cut a trade or say enough is enough. Please just look for all the information to message me below in the description. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.